Hello, welcome to the first episode of Jimin Masak. Seollal is coming. Seollal is Chinese New Year in Korean. It's January 22nd, 2023. During Seollal in Korea, we eat Tteokguk, which is a rice cake soup. It's our tradition, and the reason why we eat Tteokguk is because we believe that by eating Tteokguk, we gain a year of age. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook Tteokguk, and I'm gonna eat it together with you. Let's go! Here are the main ingredients. You need the beef and leek and rice cake, which is the most important ingredient. And you need 2 eggs and chopped garlic. And you need the soy sauce and sesame oil, and also tuna sauce. So the first thing you have to do is you have to put the rice cake into the water for 30 minutes so that it can become soft. I use this product. When you buy the product, that is normally is quite hard, so you have to make it soft first by putting in the water for 30 minutes. I'm gonna chop some ingredients. I'm gonna use the beef. You can use any kinds of beef, or if you feel lazy to chop, then you can use the minced beef as well. I'm gonna use the beef and leek. I'm gonna chop it and ready for cook. So I'm gonna chop the beef first. You can just cut it the size that you want. Normally we use the minced beef as well, but yesterday when I went to buy the minced beef, then there was a minced beef was not so good, so I bought this instead, and I'm cutting it. So I've done cutting the beef, and now I'm gonna cook it on the pot first to make the soup base. So you put sesame oil and you stir fry the beef that you put. You can stir fry it till the surface of the beef is cooked. This is to make the soup base of the tteokguk. And if you use the beef, then the taste will be very good. You can just stir fry it till the surface cooks. And later we are gonna add some water and let it boil. And now I'm gonna add some water. You can add like 400 milliliters of water here to help it cook well. So this is the soy sauce for the soup. So I'm gonna add the 1 spoon of the soy sauce into it. Close the lid and let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. But you can take out this while letting it simmer. Then you can get more clear taste. And now I'm gonna close the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes more to have more taste. So while the beef is cooking, I'm gonna chop some leek. So you need the leek, and I'm gonna use either part. You can use the white part, or if you like the leafy part, then you can use the leafy part as well. So you put the leek here. Use 2 eggs. I'm gonna crack it, and then ready for the soup. There are 2 ways of putting the egg into the tteokguk. One is like you crack it and then stir it and put it, or you can separate the yolk and then the egg white, and then make it as the pancake type, cut it, and then you can decorate it after you cook the tteokguk. So there are 2 ways, but today I'm gonna use the stirring, and then I will add into the soup. So beef is still simmering. I'm gonna take out this soup a bit. I'm gonna clear the soup more. So I put the rice cake into the water for 30 minutes, and if you want to know how much you have to put, then actually the bowl of rice cake is usually we think that is for the 1 person. So today I'm gonna make for 2 person. So I'm gonna use the 2 bowls of the rice cake to add it. And then you can add water 500 milliliter. It will get to 5-6 minutes. So once the rice cakes are up, it means that it's almost ready. So now I'm gonna put the egg. You can just put it like this. And you shouldn't stir it after you've cooked. You just let it cook and wait a bit. And I'm gonna add 1 spoon of garlic, chopped garlic into it. And also 1 spoon of tuna sauce. This is optional. Actually, you can add salt, more salt. But if you put the tuna sauce, then it has more flavor to the soup. So I'm gonna add 1 spoon of tuna sauce into it. Let it cook a bit more, and you can add the leek. Up to your preference, you can later you can add some sesame oil, or you can add some sesame seed as well. So let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes more, then it's ready. I'm gonna move it to the bowl to serve. Before serve, according to your preference, you can put a little bit of sesame oil, or you can put some seaweed, or you can put the sesame seed as well. So ready to eat. It's ready. So I'm gonna try the tteokguk that I make. Yummy. The rice cake is really chewy. Normally we eat with kimchi, the Korean's favorite. It's really yummy together with the kimchi. Yeah, I ate it all. It was so yummy. You guys should try to make it too. Thank you for watching this episode of Jimin Masak and Makan. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you next time. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Happy New Year!